what I'm going to do is instead of get display string, I'm going to make a property, public string display string, that has a getter that returns this name, this price. So I have now made a property with only a getter, and that's completely valid, and that's very common. So this property has a getter but no setter, so we can't assign data to my display string, but I can retrieve data out of it. So now I'll have two examples of get display string. So I can say console write line. I can either do product1.get display string. Get display string will simply invoke our get display string method that we have here defined on line 54. Or I could do console write line product1.display string. Now display string is a property with a getter on it. And because it has a getter on it, I can access it in syntax that looks very similar to a variable. But it's not a variable, it's actually a method. Remember, a property is an abstraction over the concept of a method. All it does is it changes the way that we invoke the thing. The thing being the method or the property.